Old school. Look, mic check 1, 2, and then I blaze it up. 13 with no job, so I'm just saving up. I'm worth a lot of money, I could really raise it up. But it's cool, cause I could just simply make it up. I said I'm getting niggas dizzy, they ain't even pull up. Flow just nasty, I'm making niggas throw up. Got your bitty, she could bend them knees like a free thrower. Throw it back just like her real name Tino with McMill. Tryna get like 3 deals inside one. Cool with the others and we could talk when the time come. I get like 3 gats and I ain't got high one. All for protection if a nigga in my section. And the coppers know that I got the true right to wreck 'em. No, I'm not lucky, God gave me a blessing. I'm coming from Philly like the wild Kobe expecting. They told me get 'em, I got 'em. It was all up in my conscience. These rappers I'm really topping like Tyler. I'm going young cause I'm louder than that chopper. That blocker at your mama. Nice but I'm even hotter. 13 and I'm a monster. And I'm a problem. Can't nobody stick with me. Shout out to my producer, aka he in history. Road to the riches. Nigga, you been a hater. Tryna be like me, call him an imitator. But you talk about me just like a commentator. Crazy cause my wrist ain't even on refrigerator yet. But bet that I'm gonna shine. You heard what I was talking on that song that's called Ground Marquis. Styling with my niggas, yeah, we call that the cypher. Spitting up Peter pipe, but it be give me hyper. With the pen and the pad, I'm just trying to touch the magic. Bars similar to Haiti, cause you know that it's a tragedy. No disrespect, walking in the block, making bitches break their necks. If I got the crime, then my niggas got the crime. Yeah, we walking in the block and the bitches is right beside me. If they ain't gon' ride me, then they gon' top me. Gon' get a mouthful, cause I stay cocky. I'm nasty, rewind that mouthful, now I'm back. I started from the bottom, still here, look where I'm at. Philly.